Welcome back to the Numeralized 2012 YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did my mini braids to start off the Protective Style Challenge. Now, this isn't necessarily a tutorial on how to do mini braids. I'm just showing you how I did mine's as the start of the Protective Style Challenge. So I started off with my hair being stretched from when I had my hair trimmed. And you can go back and watch my previous video on how I trimmed my hair to see how I got my hair in this stretched look. And so I'm going to be using the rat tail comb. I'm going to be using Anika's Honey's Edge Control, Juices and Botanics, curl cream, avocado oil, and I'm also going to be using water. And so I just want to give y'all a disclaimer. Like I said, this is not a tutorial on how to achieve this look that I'm going for. So I did try to make this as polished look as I could. I have a hard time parting my hair, especially in the back, which is why I don't really deal with combs. And so as you can see, I kind of had a hard time trying to separate the back and make it a straight across part. And this is just from me using my fingers. And I tried to go in there with a comb as well, and it just wasn't working out for me. So I tried to separate my hair as even as possible with just my fingers, just so that I wouldn't cause too much stress on my hair, because I did want to try to make this a low manipulation style. So you will see me at the back just grab and go in regards to sectioning off my hair to do the braids. And I'm okay with that, since I am mostly going to be wearing these mini braids in a low bun and I'm not going to be necessarily wearing it out. So I didn't care that the parts didn't look completely neat at the back. I just wanted to make sure that they were at least clean for the braids, as far as not having tangled hair in between braids. Actually, I was supposed to do medium-sized braids, and you will see how this braid you're going to see me do has a really big section, and it was supposed to be medium braids all the way over, all around my head. However, once I started braiding my hair, and you will see, like, I braid pretty small, even though the section was big. The actual braid itself was small. So I just kind of did medium braids at the back, medium, some small braids at the back, and then in the front I did go ahead and just do some mini braids just to fill in some of those gaps in between my hair, because I do have low porosity hair and my hair is not as full at the root. So I did have to do them smaller in the front just to compensate for my low density hair. And again, as you can see here, I tried to part my hair even, and it just wasn't really working out for me. So I just let that go and just make sure that at least my parts were at least clean, as far as not having any tangled hairs. And I do follow the LCO method, so I do water first for my liquid, I follow up with my cream, and then I follow up with my oil. And again, I am using some edge control because I did want to at least have a polished look. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop talking right now and let you watch the video and see how I completed my look. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You'll also see me do the front of my hair, and that is actually neater. I actually do make sure that my parts are really neat and clean for the hairstyle, since the front is what you will mainly see in the beginning. So after 8.5 hours, I'm finally finished with my hair. So I will be having these in my head for at least 2 to 3 weeks. I would keep them much longer, but I have another hair commitment that I need to do. And so I am going to be refreshing my hair every at least 3 days. And that is me doing the LCO method. So every 3 days, I'm going to re-moisturize my hair. I'm also going to massage my scalp and oil it with Juices and Botanics oil. And I will leave that down in the description box below. So I'm going to have these, like I said, mainly in a low bun. So I'm just kind of showing you the flexibility of the braids. And I'll show you how I will wear it mainly in a low bun. And I'll also later show you that it can get in a high bun as well. But it was a little stiff because the braids are a little tight and I don't want to strain my scalp. So I'm just kind of playing around with my hair, just looking at the versatility of it and just, feeling my hair out. But this is how I put my hair in a low bun, and I will tie my hair in a scarf in this manner. But this is how I will mainly just keep it in this low bun here. But yeah, this is all I have for this video. Let me know if you have tried mini braids before or if you will try this style. I really like the outcome of it. This is my first time doing mini braids in the 10 years that I've been natural, and I've always wanted to do mini braids but didn't have the patience for it, and went ahead and did it. And I did it for 8.5 hours straight with no breaks other than bathroom break and the Instagram live that I did if you follow me on Instagram. But I really like these braids, and I'm probably gonna do them again during this challenge and keep them in probably for like a month or two, but I'll keep y'all updated. But that's all I have for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.